So how are you?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you. Very colorful. वाह, इंचार्ज कहाँ के? ठीक है यार. Oh, fine. So it was good, it's but still we could manage. Return the same day.
Problem is that, sir, till date now no recruitment has taken place in department, so waiting for the right opportunity to get absorbed and
What is your view on that?
Yes, sir. So the biggest thing is if we are able to produce here itself, the biggest solution will be that all the demand which is like for trout, they do only import from the Kashmir, Himachal. That will be like that we can at least we can supply that thing. We can supply within Ladakh. We can supply that thing.
This is not that big. That it becomes a regular supply.
Yes.
That is one.
Correct.
On that side, you have to work. But you have to, add to the,
लग गया सर. तो इसका प्रोडक्शन तो अभी हमने फेंसिंग वेंसिंग तो वो तो छोड़ दो, सब वो तो हम खुद ने लगाया, लेकिन कुआं बनने में बहुत मुश्किल है सर. उसके बाद बनने के बाद हमें जो है ना इसका जो है ना सीड नहीं मिलता है सर. कई पड़े हैं इधर जो है ना बहुत सारे बना हुआ सर. यहाँ कम से कम एनिमल हस्बेंड्री के जो
तो सर जिस तरह आप लद्दाख में जो विजिट किया है सर उसके बारे में थोड़ा बताइए.
Government of India has launched Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana in May 2020 with the target of enhancing fish production and productivity with a total investment of more than 20,000 crore. And in that series, we have a specific, vertical to enhance production and productivity of cold water fisheries. And as a part of that ambitious target, we have come to the UT of Ladakh to speak to the Department of Fisheries, experts and farmers, and along with us a team led by Director DCFR Bhimtal is also with us. We have been interacting with farmers, entrepreneurs and listening to their issues, their problems, and the two issues which have come prominently after discussion are the availability of quality seed and quality feed and other components which are available for beneficiaries under Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana. After listening to the fish farmers and other private individual entrepreneurs, we have found that the availability of quality seed and quality feed would be addressed in a proper and suitable manner, so that we tap the potential of UT of Ladakh for development of cold water fisheries. And so far as funding support is concerned, we have adequate funding available for supporting creation of infrastructure in the government sector as well as private sphere, and we are supporting whatever project proposals we are receiving from UT of Ladakh. I hope with the necessary support from Department of Fisheries, UT of Ladakh and Government of India, and with technical inputs from DCFR Bhimtal, we would be able to achieve the fish production target, especially trout production target, which we have envisaged for UT of Ladakh under Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana.
सर जिस तरह अभी ट्राउट की बात करें तो लद्दाख में जो काफ़ी सारी इसका प्रोटेक्शन है सर, तो फार्मर्स का ये भी कहना है कि उनका जो विंटर में जो ज़्यादातर यहाँ पे दिक्कत होता है, तो ये फार्मर्स के लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे सर, किस तरह?
I think with the technical inputs from DCFR, the availability of seed and feed would be addressed suitably, and we will be doing capacity buildings of farmers and we will be sharing with them special operating procedures so that the all these issues of mortality issues and getting the desired level of growth is achieved in trout especially. I think we will be doing our bit on that front.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Segregation ये नहीं कर सका मैं अभी। निकाल दो।
Sir, in Ladakh we are having the land scarcity, तो इसीलिए हमें इसका maximum use करने की हम लोग डिफरेंशियल वाटर चैम्बर बनाते हैं तो आपके बारे में
लोगों को थोड़ा सा एक एजुकेशनल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी होगा. Children will also get attracted. Some school children. हमारा बड़ा एक्वेरियम है.
गोल्डन टॉप है सर इसका, वाइट नीचे सारे इसी कार्प में.
ये सर जो गोल्ड फिश है ना, वही है, उसका अलग अलग
स्ट्रेन
यही फिश यहाँ पे सर्वाइव करती है हमारे यहाँ पे. Have we done some genetic modification? कुछ मिश्रण हम तो बाहर से लाते हैं बस यहाँ पे
इसमें नहीं किया है, जितना फिश है. Retain the possession. Yes, sir. No, see what we can do.
जनरेटर से